We need to select a line chart. Line chart. Then click on next. Year-wise sales. And select year and click on add. To create any chart, we need at least one dimension and one expression. Here we have added year dimension. Then click on next. Then we need to give expression. And to give expression as sum of sales. We'll give label as sales. On display values on top, data points. Click on finish. This is line chart. And I want to display this one in multiple colors. Go to colors tab and select multicolored. Apply. Okay. This basic line chart. See, for example, for each and every customer, how it is useful to display changes or trends. For example, say, if I select Asian Pizza, how sales are going on for Asian. For Asian Pizza, in 2007 sales are this much, 9 sales are this much, 10 sales are this much, 11 sales are this much, like that. Asian Pizza, how sales are changing, how sales are varying for each and every year for customer Asian Pizza. Similarly, if I select the Atlantic marketing, how sales are changing year to year. 2004 sale, 9 sales, 10 sales, 11 sales. Similarly, Baltic Resort. So, based on selection, it will display for each and every customer how sales are going on for each and every year. These are useful for to observe changes, how sales are changing year to year for each and every customer. All options are similar to bar chart and pie chart only. Same. All options are same, similar to bar chart and pie chart. Here, want to give title, we can give title. Here OS sales. In detached means it will not be reflected to the selections of other sheet object. Read only means it will change to the selections of other sheet object. Detached means it will not be changed. Once we have enabled detached means we can say that is static chart. The chart will not be changed based on selections. Under chart type we need to make selections, and fast type change means if you want to change one chart type into another chart, we need to go for this option. And the dimensions tab, we need to add dimensions. Based on which dimension we need to perform calculations. Here I want to calculate year-wise sales. So I have added here dimension. And to limit number of values, here we need to go for dimension limits tab. And under expressions tab, most important one is here we need to give label. And to display values here, we need to enable values on data points. And if you want to display those values in percentages, we need to give enable relative. And if you want to hide this one, we can hide by enabling invisible. Sorting is common for all sheet objects. We can sort based on numerical data, based on textual information, based on frequency, based on load order. If you want to perform custom sorting, we can perform. We'll see that one later. Styles. Only difference with styles only. Here we can select what other style we want. Presentation chart will be like this one or this one. And I want to select this one by default. And if I want to give horizontally, you can give. Select orientation, apply. Then all options are similar to bar chart and pie chart only. See, go to presentation tab. Here select. Here also similar to bar chart. All options are similar to bar chart only. Say, if you want to display scroll bar, we can display scroll bar by enabling chart scrolling here. If you want to display pop-up labels, we can give. If you want to give reference lines, all options are similar to bar chart. Axis, same. Only difference with style only. Purpose and presentation is different, and all options are similar to bar chart and pie chart only.